Today on the channel we got a Savage model 93 R17 chambered in 17 HMR. We're going to be doing some groups of some different ammo at 100 yards. The first is this Hornady VMAX, and on the back here it says it's 2550 is the muzzle velocity. These are 17 grain VMAX bullets. We got 3 loaded up right now. I think our target's like 101 yards. We're gonna send 3 down that way. We'll make sure we slap our trigger every shot. On our paper plates, we've got a quarter size circle, and like I said, we're gonna make sure we slap our trigger every shot. Next up is the Browning BPR stuff. It's also 17 grain. So this is going 2550 as well. 17's pretty hard to find these days and pretty expensive when you do find it. I think I give like 20 bucks or a box of 50. That's that Hornady VMAX stuff. Alright, here's our 3 rounds of the Browning BPR 17 grain polymer tip ammo. Alright, this is our VMAX group. I was trying to hold as best I can on this quarter size circle. And then over here is our Browning group. And I was holding as close as I could, best I could on this. All these are quarter size circles. We'll go down, we'll try the A17 CCI stuff and then some 20 grain Winchester on these 2 targets down here. This gun feeds from a 5-round magazine, and these rounds here are the A17 varmint tip 17 HMR from CCI. It says they're doing 2650 at the muzzle, and at 100 they drop down to 2050. Alright, next is the Winchester Super X. These are 20 grain hollow points. we'll put 3 on target to group them, and the last 2 we'll put on steel. Here's our 3 rounds of 20 grain hollow points. It'll be 3 rounds on target. Oh, I just have one failure to eject on that one. For some reason, once one of the cases stick in the chamber, and wanting to eject, I take a pocket knife and pluck it out. First time that's ever happened with this gun. Alright, that's 3 rounds on the target. These are actually a little bit harder to extract for some reason. Now we're going to put some on the steel. We'll put 2 on the steel. Everything's printing a little high, so I'm going to aim at the bottom of that 8-inch plate. There we go. Still hitting a little high. Alright, let's go down and check our groups out. Here's our A17 group. These are their CCI A17s. And then over here is our 20 grain group with the Winchester Super X. When I post this video, I'll have the measurements for all these in the video. Alright, I hope everybody enjoyed today's video. In the comments below, tell me what you think about the Savage 93 models, and let me know what your thoughts is on 17 HMR or anything you want to see in the future. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. 95% of my viewers are unsubscribed. That'd help the channel grow, and y'all have a good day.